All right, what's up, guys? Well, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So you go ahead and see we have the Shelby sitting right here in the middle of the garage, pretty much. I'm gonna go ahead and be replacing the brake pads like I mentioned in the previous video. Actually, I guess a couple videos actually before with the burnout. Pretty much that was the last thing I could do with those brake pads. They're pretty much done at this point. So we're gonna go ahead and pull them off. So first we gotta pull off the MMD wheels right here, wrapped with the street comps from Mickey. Again, these are the ones that are pretty much my dailies in a way. Then we have the ET Streets, and then we also have the R's over there with the B-locks. And I'm also going to try out this new tool. It's pretty cool. It actually came with a pair of gloves as well. But you go ahead and see it's the whole brake pretty much, so that way you can push in the cylinder when you do the brake pads. But it's only 20 bucks on Amazon, I'm not even going to lie. So I'm going to go ahead and test this out. I'll let you guys know if it's worth it or not. But honestly, the quality, it does feel really worth it. It's pretty crazy. It's only 20 bucks. And unfortunately, if you've been staying tuned to my Instagram, I mentioned it somewhat on my YouTube videos previously. But unfortunately, with the whole situation with the shop screwing me over around $21,000 with a previous rebuild projects and parts that were supposed to go to this car, really tight on funds. So I'm going to go ahead and have to use some temporary cheap brake pads for the meantime. The front brakes are good, so we're only doing the rear brakes. But unfortunately, that's what the situation is. So that's kind of what happens when people screw you over. It really messes up with your plans. So hopefully at the end of the day, everything will work out. But with that being said, let's go ahead and jack this car up and pull off the rear wheels. So with the wheel off, you go ahead and take off these two bolts. They are 13s on this one. Should be the same for all vehicles, but not entirely sure. Again, this is a Shelby GT500, but again, it should be very similar, if not the same for the other. So with that out of the way, you can go ahead and see that's pretty much what's holding it together. So we can go ahead and pull back this piece right here, and then we can go ahead and get the pads out. And you don't want to let this hang so it doesn't damage the brake line. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right there. And we can go ahead and check out these brake pads. So here we are on the worst side pretty much. I want to go ahead and show you guys this side primarily. I'm just going to go ahead and run it. I know it's not the best idea. I know it's not the greatest idea whatsoever, but it is what it is. Like I told you guys, I'm not going to go ahead and go spend a whole bunch of money on rotors right now. So I'm just using some cheap brake pads in the meantime. But you go ahead and see it's starting to hot spot around. It's barely starting to, so you can go ahead and barely see the actual spots. I'm sure the camera picks it up a little bit better. But also, we had it grind down in the corner, which is pretty crazy because it actually showed no, pretty much beforehand that it was actually causing this kind of damage until the very, very end where it barely started making any noise whatsoever. But you would think that it would have started making a lot more noise beforehand. But yeah, these rotors, they might be, I don't know, honestly, they might be able to be saved by resurfacing them. But at this point, I think the best idea would just to get new rotors, but I'm not going to do that. So if yours do look like this, please get new rotors. I'm just doing this because this car is going to be sitting for a majority of the time. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and just finish this up real quick. We're going to go ahead and push the cylinder back. We have the tool right here. Highly recommend this tool. I told you guys I would let you guys know, but yeah, this tool definitely is killing it. So a quick tip, because you're pushing back the fluid, go ahead and uncap in the pretty much where the cylinder is for your brake fluid. Go ahead and uncap that so it actually pushes the fluid back so you don't have to fight as much. That's just a quick tip for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and again get this side done. But basically find your positioning point, and then you can go ahead and twist it from here, which is actually the opposite. So while twisting it left, and it actually spreads it open a little bit, and then we can go right, and then it'll push back the cylinder. So there's that. So now it's firm. Okay. So that's a little tough. We're gonna go ahead and get the cheater bar. There we go. Makes life a lot easier to use little techniques like this, guys. All right, so I just went ahead and put some grease on it real quick. Make sure obviously the springs are up. All right, so that on. Now we're just gonna go ahead and tighten down these 13s real quick and easy, and then we shall be done.
I see what you did there. You said Shelby. Ha! No, not funny?
I like to donate my time to special.
Fuck you. Done. Get some roll runs, yeah? Kidding. Read the license plate. What'd you say?
Alright guys, so one thing I didn't show you guys, but I mean, hopefully you guys do know, but if you don't, no harm. When you drop the car down, make sure you tighten the wheels down correctly in the star pattern. I didn't show that, but just make sure you do that. With that being said, make sure you test out the brakes, everything's good. I already did that on mine. So if you're just here for the install, hope you guys did enjoy that. Go ahead and leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We're gonna go ahead and continue on to a little car meet tonight. That's where we're gonna go ahead and end the video over there. So with that being said, hope you guys do enjoy the rest of the video. Little Mini Cooper all stanced out. I don't know why it's like this. I'm gonna have to sue you for damages of the vehicle. I need new tires.
Hey, I'm not VA, all right?
Damn. Oh, they're just gonna get gas. They're just gonna get gas. We're good.
Nah.
Damn, I've always wanted an is, bro. Not gonna lie. But DC5 life. Damn, missed that. Got the PD over there just hanging out. It looks like there's 3 of them now, and then one just took off. So we'll see what ends up happening. Breaking necks. Winning.
You guys want to hear?
Do it.